Roxy McLeish Hutchinson, Permanent Secretary with responsibility for Foreign Affairs in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Trade and Export Development, led Grenada's delegation for the 2025 Universal Periodic Review, the UPR, which was conducted in Geneva today, May 5th. She was supported by Ray Thomas from the Ministry of Legal Affairs. The UPR is a United Nations process where all 193 UN member states are reviewed on their human rights records every 4.5 years. On January 27, 2020 in Geneva, Grenada received 148 recommendations following its presentation. Germany, in its recommendation, praised the initiatives undertaken by Grenada towards women and recommended repealing the section of the law that discriminates against sexual orientation.
Germany welcomes the delegation of Grenada and commends Grenada for its efforts to respect, protect and promote human rights, including to combat violence and discrimination against women and with respect to economic, social and cultural rights. Germany also commends Grenada for cooperating with the UN human rights system, including treaty bodies.
Guyana, in its presentation, welcomed the draft Sex Offenders Registry law and the changes made to the Education Act, which increased the age at which children can leave school.
We join others in commending the delegation for their comprehensive report. We commend Grenada on the many strides it has made since the last cycle in implementing recommendations from the last review and the passage and enactment of several important legislations, which include the compulsory school age legislation of 2024. Our commendations to Grenada for addressing the pension reforms for the public sector employees and the ongoing collaboration with the International Labour Organization to address the conditions of work.
The delegation of Iceland also expressed both praise and concerns about Grenada's human rights records and offered 6 suggestions that may not only require legislative changes, but a constitutional change.
In the spirit of constructive engagement, Iceland recommends the following. 1. Abolish the death penalty. 2. Ratify the second operational protocol of the ICCPR. 3. Adopt the reproductive health rights policy, ensuring impactful, sustainable and equitable action on sexual and reproductive health and rights. 4. Amend the criminal code to legalize abortion under all circumstances. 5. Eliminate barriers to justice for GBV survivors by abolishing the requirement for third-party cooperation in sexual violence cases. 6. Provide comprehensive sexuality education in schools. 7. Decriminalize same-sex relations between consenting adults by repealing Articles 430 and 431 of the Criminal Code. 8. Introduce comprehensive anti-discrimination laws and ensure legal protection for persons of diverse societies. I wish Grenada all success for its review. I thank you.
For GBN News, Janelle Dick.